Today we are going to discuss about time series forecasting. Time series forecasting is nothing but predicting the future trends and patterns through by analyzing the time series, the previous time series. So, in this time series forecasting, it's actually a statistical method to predict the future values of time based on historical data. That means what we do in this time series forecasting is we capture the magnitude at each point of time. For example, if we are predicting the weather at a particular time or the climate temperature at a particular time, what we do is we capture the temperature at every point of time. Say like 9 a.m. it was 29 degree, 12 noon it was 32 degree, at 2 p.m. it was like 30 degrees. So we note down or we capture the magnitude of temperature at each point of time, and based on this we are going to forecast what will be the temperature at 7 p.m. This is how this time series forecasting work. So the basic principle they are using is, here we analyze the trends, patterns, seasonality in the previous time sequences. Say for example, we analyze what happened at t minus 1 time, then we analyze what happened at t minus 2, t minus 3, t minus 4. That means all the previous time intervals, what are the sequence of or the patterns or the trends happen to the data. Based on that we are going to forecast what will happen in the next t time. This is called time series forecasting. So there are different types of methods. So basically we divide the methods of finding the forecasting into data driven and model based. So model based approach is a one which uses different kinds of algorithms as mentioned here. This moving average, then autoregressive integrated moving average, say ARIMA, seasonal autoregressive integrated moving average, SARIMA, Prophet, which is a Facebook developed model algorithm for finding the forecasting, and the neural networks. So these are some of the model based approaches. This we will be discussing further in the coming sessions. And there are another kind called data driven approach. In that we are going to use our machine learning algorithms, say like linear regression or XGBoost. So how we are going to use that algorithms in forecasting also will be discussed in the coming session. But the fact in the forecasting that we have to keep in mind is that this forecasting is always subject to some uncertainty, because we cannot predict at what time what is going to happen. So that means some sudden changes in the market or some unexpected events can cause changes in the forecasted value. So it is very important to keep in mind that we have to regularly review and update the forecasting models when the new data becomes available. The main advantage is that this can be used for stock market value prediction, weather forecasting. Even we can forecast the inflation or the unemployment rates in the coming year. So the coming sessions will be covering how can we do this time series forecast with different kinds of algorithms. Thank you.